Hello, welcome to superbikes. Like and subscribe. So today I'm in the Honda cbr1000rr, and I'm gonna be talking about why you should get this motorcycle instead of the other one. So let's get right on it. Well, the thing about the CBR and the other the thing about this motorcycle and the other motorcycles is that CBR is more well put together. Like, all the buttons feel premium. Handling is superb. Handling is superb. What else? It feels like a Japanese Ducati. Even though a lot of people are gonna say, "Oh no, it's just a regular motor," but this bike feels premium. The seat feels premium. Handling feels, everything about this is premium. One thing I'm not sure about is just when you shift, it doesn't have that clutch feel like the other bikes have. The mechanical version, I think it's just a reliable motorcycle as far as mechanical stuff. You know, you're gonna have reliability with this bike. With the R1 and the Gixxer, it's not so much really. Just it depends how you take care of your bike. You know, my other bikes hasn't given me a single problem. One is an 07 Gixxer, one is the 2014 R1. And they're the best bikes you could buy in the market now. I like the models I have, and this is a dream, you know, to drive the CBR and have a really, really well put together bike I can ride on every day. I want a little video about mess about CBR versus Lamborghini. Holy shit. So here we go.